Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw subscription revenue with Lemon Squeezy Payouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Lemon Squeezy account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, find and click on the Payouts option. This section will display your available payout balance. Check the payout threshold to ensure you meet the requirements for withdrawal. If you are eligible, locate the Request Payout button and click it. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payout method. Select from options such as bank transfer or PayPal. Ensure you enter the necessary payment details accurately. After entering your information, review it carefully for any errors. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to initiate the payout request. The system will notify you of the payout processing time. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. Your funds will be transferred to your chosen payment method once processed. If you have any issues, refer to the support section for assistance. Your payout requests will be tracked in the Payout History section. Make sure to keep your account details up to date for seamless transactions. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of your subscription revenue. Now you are ready to manage your gains efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.